Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the SIM is seated and the phone is powered. Once done, unlock the Samsung and open settings immediately. This is the control hub. If you have two SIMs, decide which line you want to check because later screens show per SIM details. Make sure you have a stable signal. If the SIM is inactive, the system may not show a number. Now tap About Phone to continue to the next actionable screen. From About Phone, tap Status or SIM Status. Different One UI versions label it differently. Here the system lists my phone number under the active SIM entry. That's the number assigned to that SIM. If you see two entries, read both to identify primary versus secondary. Make sure the SIM has registered to the network because the phone pulls the number from the SIM profile. If the field is blank, don't panic, try the alternative methods I'll cover next. If About Phone shows nothing, try opening contacts and locating the Me or My Card entry. Some carriers prefill it. Alternatively, open the phone app, tap Settings, and view SIM or operator details there. You can also power down and move the SIM into another phone to see the number displayed. If still blank, call or message your carrier. They can program the SIM profile or confirm the assigned number, which resolves most persistent blank field issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.